So after following my video of how to connect Xbox 360 controller and you follow the procedure quite correctly and you still were not able to connect your Xbox, I'm gonna show you another troubleshoot that you can follow to check whether that could resolve your problem. First, I want to assure you that this method still works with the latest Windows 10 update. So if I go to the start and type in WinVer and select that, it shows that the latest version of Windows is now 20H2 and it still works perfectly. So if you go to the start, right click there and select Device Manager, you still can see Xbox 360 peripherals. That means it is connected and it is working brilliantly. But sometimes, even though it is connected, some people are struggling to connect their Xbox to the adapter. And it could be that you have got a lot of USBs that are there, but they are confusing your Xbox 360 controller. So I would suggest you first uninstall this Xbox 360 controller, uninstall any unknown USB drives. So for that you need to go to View and then click on Show Hidden Devices, and here you can see the gray ones. Gray ones are the ones that are registered in your Windows but no device is connected to them. So what you can do is to right click on them and click on Uninstall and get rid of all these gray ones. You should also do the same thing to the ports. And once you have done that, another thing you need to do is to go to a website that I'll put a link in the description called SourceForge. Basically here we want to download a program called USB Oblivion. So click on download, then go to your download folder, right click on it and click on extract to. We got this extracted. Inside this we have two programs. One is for 32-bit and one is for 64-bit. Nowadays everybody uses 64-bit, so I'm gonna run 64-bit. Just double click on it and it's here. What it does is it saves the backup of the registry key. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm not closing Windows Explorer and I am not rebooting Windows, but you guys should do that. And I'm not doing a real clean at this time. I'm just running it to stimulate. Device Manager, you can see so many unknowns. So many of these USBs are registered in the registry editor. For the purpose of this video, I am not running it for real. I am just stimulating it. So just if you click on stimulate, it will save a backup of the registry file. So let's click. As you can see, after running this, it has found a lot of files in the registry key that it can remove for you and clean up your registry a bit. For those who are struggling to connect your controller, I suggest you to run a real clean, but make sure you have unplugged all your USB devices, external hard drive, everything that you got except perhaps your mouse or keyboard, and take everything else out and then do a real clean, and then follow my video on how to install Xbox 360 controller and do that procedure carefully and one more time and see whether this would solve your problem. If it does solve your problem, put that in the comments